evaluate, make sure we get all those at the end of the day. So with that, I'll turn it over to the presentation from Lake Cormorant High School.
Hello everyone, my name is Ashley Rankin. I'm Megan Phillips of Wayne Evans, and we're going to be presenting for Lake Cormorant High School today. The name of our project is Get to the Point by Lake Cormorant High School. Our Model School 2010 participants are Ivy Davis, Winnie Evans, Chris Howard, Ashley Rankin, Megan Phillips, Maria Raleigh, Heather Lovett, and also Cal Pesto. Our Lake Cormorant teacher and leader of the club is Michael Rogers. Our community partner is Matt Halls from the DeSoto County GIS Department. And lastly, we have our mentor from Northwest Community College named Tommy Watson.
Welcome to Lake Cormorant. The middle school was established in 2006. Currently under construction is our high school, which will be done by fall of 2010. We are in the service of Western DeSoto County. We are solving the solution of overcrowding in Cormorant Intermediate High School. DeSoto County is located in the northwestern part of the state. It consists of 5 cities: South Haven, Olive Branch, Thorn Lake, Walls, and Hernando. Our school district has 8 high school attendance zones.
The Lake Cormorant School Complex consists of 3 schools. Lake Cormorant Elementary, established in 2007, Lake Cormorant Middle School, established in 2006, and also Lake Cormorant High School, currently under construction as of 2010. Project scope. Our Lake Cormorant attendance zones consist of Walls, Mississippi, and surrounding areas such as Horn Lake, Mississippi, and Eudora, Mississippi. We collected our point addresses from places such as single-family residentials, apartment complexes, businesses, and also mobile home parks.
What was the purpose of our project? Our project is to enhance the computer assistant dispatch or CAD system that directs responders to the scenes of incidents and emergencies in the occurring of the project area. Why point addresses? If you call 911 and they get the call, the only thing that's going to show up is your house is going to be 20 yards from where it's supposed to be. We went out to collect these points to show that it will become part of the system. It'll show up at where it's supposed to be.
An example of these point addresses would be if you were in a regular GIS system and you were to put the address in your computer, it will probably locate you 3 or 4 houses down from the actual point. But with our point addresses, we can put you on the exact location of the exact house, for our local policemen and fire department can get to their location more efficiently. Project sequence. The first step of our project was RFQ software and GPS training in December of 2009. The second step of our project was data collection. We went out and collected data from our school attendance zone of Lake Cormorant for our project. The third step of our project was data entry. We went in and put waypoints in the computer with correct addresses and numbers to graph them out on an actual map for others to see.
What did we do? Matt Hanks came from the DeSoto County GIS Department to help us learn how to use the GPS unit and the ArcMap software. The data collection. We went out and we took the GPS and a sheet to collect all the waypoints, addresses, and any comments that needed to be made. Other means we used aerial imagery and plot layout maps. The 8 stars on this slide show exactly of where we were to map all the locations.
That here shows a picture of other areas we also collected point addresses. Those would include Encore, Lower Parks, Delta Bluff, and also Lakeview Mobile Home Parks. Here's a picture of Maria Raleigh, Megan Phillips, Ivy Davis, and also Winnie Evans collecting data outside for our project.
Data entry. We came back and loaded up the GPS to the computer to put it in ArcMap. We also created new fields with the attribute table. We all started our editing process in the editor using the editor toolbar. Information collected was also added to the attribute table.
Here's a picture of what it looks like when we're putting waypoints into our computer with the correct addresses and points to graph them out on a map.
It took us almost 3 days to put in all these points, but it will help benefit our community.
Here's a picture of me, myself, Ashley, Maria Wiley, and Mr. Rogers, our leader of our club, getting in points into the computer for our project.
Project marketing and community outreach. The commercial appeal from Memphis came out to interview us and see what we were doing and why we were doing the project. We also presented our project to the DeSoto County Board of Supervisors. The results were hoping to increase the effectiveness of local emergency management agencies. Opportunity for internships. The DeSoto County GIS department is allowing a few students to come out and help collect more points so we can further this in the future.
Here's a list of the sources that we used for the completion of our project.
Pretty much in point, the whole part of our project was the DeSoto County is developing a lot. I've lived in the same house for years, and everything there's mapped out already. So if I had a fire, they could come find me. But my friend down the road, if she had a fire, she lives in a newer development, and they might not be able to find her. So we're just wanting everybody to, in case of emergency, be able to have the emergency services find them. And this is pretty much what we did. And we had a lot of help from Mr. Hanks and Mr. Watson, and we'd like to thank them a lot.
We also took a picture of our sheriff's car outside our school, and we took a picture of the system that they use currently right now, and we're hoping to improve that system along in the future.
At this time, we would like to say thanks to everyone that helped us complete this project. EIGS, Mars Club, the DeSoto County GIS Department, and also the DeSoto County Board of Supervisors, and lastly, Northwest Community College. Are there any questions you guys may have for us?